Hello, and thank you for joining our webcast. Today, I would like to share with you the latest enhancements and improvements that are coming out with PHP Runner 5.2 and ASP Runner 6.2. So, here's the list of our new features and improvements in this update. A search panel, edit and add of master details on the same page, audit log, new database support, new chart support, Google Maps widget, insert button and insert captcha, and record locking. Let's start off with the search panel. The search panel is an advanced search right on the list page, which is customizable and lets the users pick their own search fields. The same field can be added twice, which will produce a search with an OR condition. By default, the search will work as contains type search. However, it can be changed by clicking Options link and selecting a desired setting. The users can also hide and show the search panel as well as have it float on the page. Now let's talk about the enhanced functionality of master details relationships. With latest release, you will be able to display, add and edit both the master and the detail records on the same page. Simply flick the Add and Edit checkboxes on the Master Details dialog, and you can start manipulating your data without switching between the pages back and forth. Let's look at the example of entering a new order. I have a master table called Orders and a details table called Order Details. On the new order page, I'm going to enter the order information such as a customer, employee, and shipping. And for order details, I will add two records in the inline mode, entering the product information. The first product will be Grandma's Boysenberry spread at $25 per case and will have two of them. And the second product is Uncle Bob's Organic Dried Pears at $30 per package, which will have 6 of. Now that my order is complete, I will save it. After I save the order, I can preview the newly created order and its details on the list page. I can also edit the record details right in the preview using the inline edit feature. The next addition to the software is the audit log. You can start tracking who and when logged into your application and what data manipulation they did. Simply turn on the audit trail and all of the information such as user, datetime, table, action, and the action description will be stored in a table or a log file. Audit log stored in a table can be viewed in the same application. We have also expanded the list of the databases PHP Runner and ASP Runner support. The newest additions are DB2, Informix, SQLite, and any other ODBC-enabled data source. The collection of charts has also been enhanced and updated. We have added the unlimited series chart, gauge chart, accumulation chart, financial chart, bubble chart, and others. The next addition to the software is the integration with Google Maps. Now you can embed the Google Maps widget right into your application. You can insert a large map anywhere on the page by the means of the visual editor, or have a separate map for each record by simply setting the file type to map. For more enhanced experience, leverage the Google Maps API to refresh the map on demand, add, update, and delete markers, and other functions supported by Google. Just like you can insert a map into your web application, you will be able to insert a button anywhere on the page. This feature supports both server and client-side events for ASP and PHP. You can insert JavaScript to be executed on the client side after the button is clicked, PHP or ASP code on the server side, and JavaScript on the client side after the server-side code is executed. Another element that you can add to your application is CAPTCHA that will ensure the authenticity of the website users. CAPTCHA can be added anywhere on the page that expects user input, such as Add Page, Edit, Login, Password Reminder, and other pages. The next improvement is the record locking, which prevents simultaneous data updates by multiple users. To activate data locking, proceed to Security step, enter the Audit dialog, and select the locking table, which will store the record locks. You can apply the locking to any of the tables you have in your project. Now anyone who tries to edit a locked record would see the message that the record is locked and information will not be saved. Application administrators will be able to unlock the records if it was locked for too long or to take ownership. So this completes our webcast. Thank you everyone for joining. As always, your feedback is very much appreciated.